Good morning children, welcome to English class. Okay, in previous class we have discussed about the rainbow poem, right? And now we are in 2.3. Okay children, everyone open your page number Studio 224, that is 2.3 children. 2.3. Does the poem The Rainbow have a rhythm pattern? Rhythm pattern means what? The ending words should spell like same. Yes or no? Is the poem is like that? No. Circle your response. That means you need to circle the no. Okay. Here S and no is there. No. We need to circle this one children. And next, give an example here. Okay. You need to write example. See here I am writing. Boats sail on the rivers. Boats sails on the rivers. Here see rivers and ships sail on the seas. Okay, see, is the this poem is have rhythm pattern? No, it's not having. That's why we have kept here no. And you need to write these two lines in your textbook. The space have been given to you. Know that you have to write children. And next one, see, what does the poet call the prettiest? Why does she feel so? Discuss. Okay, to what the poet called prettiest? To rainbow, yes or no? To rainbow, the poet called prettiest, right? And why she called like that, you have to discuss. Next question, give another title for the poem. That means you need to give another title. What is the title for our poem? The rainbow, right? You need to give another one. See here in this poem, it is discussing about nature. Yes or no? It is describing very beautifully about nature and how the poet loved the nature also. She is showing. That's why we are giving here the title as Nature Love. What is it? Nature Love children. Okay, nature love. Okay, that is the third one. And fourth one, a line in the poem tells us that the rainbow creates a path between the earth and the sky. Find the line in the poem and write it there. Okay, a line is telling what it's telling is, it's telling that the rainbow is making path, that means creating a path between earth and sky, where the line it is, and write down the line there. See here in the last line it's telling and builds a road from earth to sky. It is prettier far than this. Okay, that means you need to write in fourth one and builds a road and builds road from where to where? Earth to sky. Earth to sky is prettier far than this. Okay children, see you need to write in the fourth answer like this. And builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than this. Okay, this is the fourth answer. Okay children, no problem, I'll send this page in your WhatsApp group. Okay, and now everyone open your companion children. Okay children, open companion 14 to C. To see, open, see there. Look at the words given below, convert each of these nouns in the plural form to singular. That means they have given the pictures and also the plural forms of the nouns also. What you have to do? You have to convert the plural nouns into singular. Already in page number 12 and 13 we have learned this and we have written in our books also. Right? Now we have to write this one. See, what is this picture, children? What is this picture? A wild animal, that is a tiger. Yes or no, that is a tiger, and they have given here tigers. Okay. Now what you have to do? Write the singular form. That means one tiger is there, no? Tiger. T-I-G-R. Tiger in that blank. Okay. And second one, see, what is this? Compass. Okay. Here they have given compasses. Okay. You have to write singular. And compass spelling C-O-M-P-A-S-S, children. And third one, see, here churches they have given, but here only one church. That means you need to write singular form of the church. See, the spelling C-H-U-R-C-H, church. And fourth one, see, fourth one, buses they have given here. One bus is there, the singular form of the buses, bus. Bus spelling B-U-S, bus. Now see, children, read everyone. Tiger, compass, church and bus. Okay. Now write down in your companion book, children. And after that we are having here 2D. See, 2D in page number 15. The plural forms of the nouns given below are jumbled. Unscramble the words in the space provided. Write the correct singular forms as well. What you have to do? See, they have given plural forms of the nouns as well. The words are jumbled. That means the letters in the word is not in a proper order. You have to scramble these words. That means you need to keep these letters in proper order and you have to write plural form, and for that word you have to write singular form and write a sentence of your own using the plural forms of each noun. That means with the help of these plurals you need to write one sentence. Each plural one sentence. You need to write by your own, children. This is yours homework I am giving to you. This is page number. Note down everyone. Home task. Okay, home task 2D companion. Okay, 2D companion, page number 15, children. Okay, page number 15 companion 2D. Note, write down this homework. Okay, do it this homework and send to me in WhatsApp group, children. Okay, remaining notes I'll send to you in your WhatsApp. Okay, children, this is about today's English class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.